If you've been to this channel before, welcome back. If you're new to this channel, welcome. In today's video, I will be installing synthetic wigs. So on this wig right here, I give you a quick look of how it, give a quick tour, a quick preview. So here's everything you need. Here's the information right here. I will definitely link everything down below, okay? So don't be yelling at me, don't be screaming at me. I'm gonna show you everything, like, I got you. This is the look of it. Yeah, I tried this wig on. I have a video of me trying on different wigs, but this is the wig that I bought that day. It looks super nice. I will be probably spraying a dry shampoo on it to, you know, like make it look less shiny. Like the shine is fine, but I don't want it to look too synthetic-y, too wiggy. So yes, this is how she looks. I'll show you the inside. I have a clip back here. Here's the lace. This is only like, I would guess this is like a T part, I guess you would say. So I really want to try, I wanted to try and do a side part, you know, put her to the side, because I feel like I haven't did a side part in so long. And I put the try-on wig, like, look at this, look at it, it's not even getting caught. The last wig I tried on was like this blonde and black bang wig. It was a human hair blend, synthetic hair, but this just, I mean, it's getting a little caught, but not like, you know, like real nappy, real tangled. So I'm gonna get started on my wig cap, and then we'll move on to the wig a little bit later. Okay, wig cap first. I already used Got To Be, the black bottle, the gel, to slick my hair back. So I just put the gel on my hair, used the an edge control brush, put the gel on, brushed it back, and then after that, took my blow dryer, kept brushing, and just got my hair to be real slick down. Okay, so now, ooh. Now we got the cap on. I like to kind of like roll this way, kind of stretch it out a little bit. I need this whole entire wig cap, but hey, I want to start from the back of the ear so I can, like, I don't know, I feel like that works for me. Start behind, not here, but behind the ear. This is what I want to try today. I like to change my method sometimes, you know, wing it. It's probably not the best thing, but we're gonna pray that this wig come out nice, because I've done a wig a few times and I can always fix it, okay? So I got the ears out. So with that, I kind of look like a monkey. Not like that. Don't do too much with that. You know, those palm people. I'm gonna have to go all around the face. I'm using the flat side of the brush and just kind of tapping it, touching my finger on my fingers. You know, you know that your finger gets sticky sometimes. It's really annoying. You gotta touch the hairs and just need your fingers not to be so sticky. Look, you see my finger, it's not a bad idea. But I'll come back once it's all done. I'll definitely show you guys how I glue it down and how I make it look all melted and everything. taking this EBIN lace wig knot powder in dark brown. My hands are stuck together from this melting spray. It got my stuff looking nice. It's real sticky, so I recommend having like some wipes with you. I'm gonna have to wash my hands very soon. I might have. Okay. Yeah, I'm still doing this. It's getting to where I need it to look. I feel like even though it's not laid the best, because I am kind of like rushing a little bit. Gotta spill the beans. Sorry, I am rushing. I feel like this looks nice. So what I realized is I probably won't be able to do my side part because the ear tabs on the wig is not making it easy for me to make it a side part, but it's fine. I'm gonna wear how they want you to wear it. I'm gonna take this and kind of gotta look over here. It's working. Okay, look. Yeah, I think I have to leave it alone. Just let it look like this. I think I'm doing something wrong, but it's a T-part wig, so it's not letting me do as much as I can. Okay, y'all, it is time to continue with installing this lace. I cannot let these parts stop me. So I'm just gonna quickly try to make a space for my ears so they can breathe a bit, and also map out how they're gonna lay, because this wig is not really customized properly. You know, it's made to fit different heads, so I probably won't be able to do as much of a side part as I like to do. So same on this side. Just gonna cut around here and then try to fit my ears. So pretty much I'm gonna have this much space. I don't want my ears to bend because I do wear glasses off camera. Okay, that looks crazy, but I just wanted to see where I have that. I'm gonna clean out my forehead just a little bit. The wig glue I am using is Esha. This is how it looks. I don't want to get myself too small for it or too big for it, so I'm really just going to try to map this out the best way I can. I'm going to finish the rest of this off of camera, then I'll be right back, okay? Time to flip the wig. Okay, sorry, my puppy was doing something. So I'm just going to lay her right about here. I did not need to go right here, but hey, I learned my lesson. Okay. place I got to be so this will no longer be sticky anymore. This on, hopefully it doesn't retract back. Where am I put it? So I have to go run a quick errand. So I'm just going to cut this off because I no longer need it. And then you guys will see me right back when I am ready to finish installing the wig. I just have to go to the store really quickly. Hey y'all, so I'm just cleaning up the wig just now. I cut the lace off. I added more of the lace tinting spray just to get it, you know, like, I don't know what. So you see how it is, you see how it is right here. When I put this on, all that whiteness went away, but I'm not gonna worry about that side. Ain't nobody gonna see that side, okay? So here, I kind of am taking my tweezers for the part that's in the middle. And I'm gently just pulling that out without creating a hole. And then, yeah. Just want to brush it out, and then I already went ahead and sprayed dry shampoo on the hair because it was looking a little shiny after I've put the wax stick on it, and use the, let me get my words out, and use the hot comb. So now I'm just brushing it out, and then I'm gonna go back in a little bit with some more dry shampoo, and then I have to layer it because I think I'm feeling layers today. I really am. So you guys, we're almost done. I just want to say thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I will have all the products linked below on what I used today. I had a very chaotic day, y'all. I probably should do a story time. Okay. So I have a hot comb in my lap. It's probably not safe. And it's hot. So yeah, just with this. Okay. Trying to get the hair a little bit straight so I can cut it. Okay. So I'm gonna start off using my razor, and I want it to fame the phrase. So I'm gonna start off right here, and then work my way down. I don't want to take too much, so not professional, so. Okay. Oh, it's hot. Yep. It's on. edges. And I think I should do some more curves. Curves on the music.